Okay, my next magical birthday wish is going to be something super special. Oh, who am I kidding? They've all been super special. But what shall the wish be this time?
Oh dear! Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear! Oh dear,
Harold!
oh dear, oh...
What happened?
Do you want the long version or the short version?
Short version.
I broke down.
What's the long version?
I broke down.
Oh. Well, I'm so sorry, Harold.
Problem is, I need to get this delivery to the mainland as soon as possible, and the bridge is out.
What a run of bad luck. But I think I can help. I wish to be a helicopter. To the mainland, you say? I'll get it there in no time.
Just be careful, it's very heavy.
Whoa! I love being a helicopter! This is heavy. There it is! Almost there. Huh? Hang on now. I can do this! There we go!
I hope Thomas is okay. Thomas, that was amazing! You did it!
Not only that, but I've brought the engineer to fix you.
Oh, Thomas, you are the best. I hope you have the best birthday ever. Huzzah!
Birthday, happy birthday. These magical birthday wishes have been so much fun. I can't wait to figure out my next wish. Now, what to wish for?
Oh, no!
That cranky sound sounded just like Cranky. I should see if he's okay. Cranky, is everything okay?
No, Thomas, everything is not okay. I accidentally dropped a crate into the water and I need it back.
Oh, well, maybe I can help.
Oh, I appreciate that, Thomas, but how? Last I checked, a tank engine couldn't go underwater.
Instead of a tank engine, what about a submarine? I wish I was a submarine.
Thank you so much, Thomas the Submarine.
Happy to help. I'll find that crate and be right back. Hello, little fishes. There it is. Oh no, it's all tangled in seaweed. I'll need some help. They did it! I've got it!
There, job complete. And I couldn't have done it without you, Thomas.
And those fish. All right, good day, Cranky.
Oh, Thomas, one last thing. Happy birthday!
I'm so happy I've been able to use my magical birthday wishes to help all of my friends. I think it's time to wish for a birthday party for me. Here we go. I wish to have a wonderful, jolly, fun-filled birthday party. Huh? Where's the magic? It's supposed to be golden. Something's wrong. Let's try again. I wish for a birthday party. Oh no, I'm out of birthday wishes. I must have used them all up. I haven't been keeping count. Well, there goes my chance of a birthday party today.
Thomas, I really need your help.
I'm sorry, Percy, but I've run out of magical birthday wishes.
That's okay. Come this way anyway.
Of course, Percy. Always happy to help, with or without wishes.
Here we are.
I'm just curious what you need me to do.
Thomas, what I need is for you to enjoy your birthday party.
Happy birthday!
What's this?
Thomas, you used your birthday wishes to help your friends when they needed you most. You are the best friend anyone could have. A birthday party is the least we could do to say thank you.
The best wish of all is to have friends like you. Thank you so much!
Happy birthday! It's a happy, happy birthday song.
Birthday, happy birthday.
It's a happy, happy birthday song.
A special wish and a birthday gift. Memories you can keep.
With Thomas and his friends, the fun never ends. So let's party with the beep, beep, beep.
Birthday, happy birthday.
It's a happy, happy birthday song.
Birthday, happy birthday.
It's a happy, happy birthday song. It's a happy, happy birthday song.
I wonder how many magical birthday wishes I have left. I've been having so much fun, I've lost count. Oh, I'm sure I have plenty more. Now, what to wish for?
Oh, where did he go? I must find him. He's lost.
Hello, Emily. Who's lost? Percy? Gordon? James?
A baby elephant.
Oh.
I let him out to stretch his trunk. I looked away for 1 second and poof, he's gone. I'm afraid to go looking for him in case he comes back this way.
I can go and look.
Oh, thank you, Thomas. But he's just a little baby elephant, and a noisy engine like you might scare him. He needs to feel safe.
Would another elephant help him feel safe?
Yes, that would help, but it's not like we can just make a wish and an elephant appears.
When you have magical birthday wishes, you can. I wish to be an elephant.
Thomas, you're an elephant!
Oh, excuse me. What I meant to say was, yes, I am. Now, I'll go and find your little baby elephant. Baby elephant! Where are you? Baby elephant! Oh, this isn't working. I wonder if there's something I can do to be more like an elephant. I know. That way! Hello, little fella. You're safe with me. Found him.
Oh, Thomas, you did it! Thank you so much.
Happy to help. Now I'm off to... off to make more birthday wishes.
Happy birthday, Thomas.
Birthday, happy birthday. It's a happy, happy birthday song. These birthday wishes are the best birthday present an engine could ask for. I wonder what I should wish for next.
Oh, this is impossible.
That sounded like Nia. I hope she's okay. Nia? Nia, was that you?
Oh, Thomas, I'm in a bit of trouble. I need to set up this party tent, but it takes 10 engines to put it up. 1 for each tent pole.
That is a problem.
It gets worse. People will be arriving any minute. I don't have time to find 9 other engines.
What if you don't need 9 other engines? How about myself and 8 other Thomases instead?
That would do the trick. But how?
I'll use a birthday wish. I wish there were 8 more of me.
Hello.
Huh?
Huh?
Good day. This is exciting. What number am I? This is too many Thomases. This is a great number of Thomases. Am I the last one? Anyone keeping track? Are there any more Thomases coming? Okay, I think I'm the last one.
Perfect. Now there are 10 of us. We can help put your party tent up, Nia.
Oh, thank you, Thomas. This is just wonderful. And also maybe a little strange. Now, let's set up this party tent.
On the count of 3. 1,
2,
3!
We did it! And it's all thanks to you, Thomas, and your other little Thomases.
No problem. Nothing to it. See you again.
Isn't it your birthday? Happy birthday!
Thank you.
It's been my pleasure, Nia.
Now I'm off to make more birthday wishes. Birthday, happy birthday. It's a happy, happy birthday song. I cannot wait to use my next magical birthday wish. But what to wish for next?
No. This is no good at all.
I'd better go and see what's happened. Hello, James. What's the matter?
It's my responsibility to clean Knapford Station today. And look at it, covered in mud. I'm going to get mud on myself, I just know it.
Oh, that is not good.
It gets worse. I'm all out of soap.
Oh, that is worse.
How am I going to clean Knapford now?
How about with a magical birthday wish?
Really? Wish for more soap?
No, something even better. I wish I was inside a super soap bubble. With this, I'll be able to bounce around, scrubbing all the mud off the station.
Absolutely brilliant, Thomas!
Thank you, James. Now to just... Whoa! 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 It's very slippery. I need to gain control. Whoa! There we go! Woohoo! Let's clean Knapford! Whoa! Whee! Whoa! Knapford Station, clean.
And not a drop of mud on me. Thank you so much, Thomas.
That's what friends are for.
And happy birthday!
Thanks. See you, James. Birthday, happy birthday. It's a happy, happy... The next magical birthday wish I make is going to be a good one. I'm going to think of something really great. No more monkeying around.
Get back here, you monkeys!
Wait a second. Real monkeys? Rosie, are you all right?
Oh, Thomas, I need to get these monkeys back to the animal park. But every time I go near them, they run away. I've tried giving them some yummy bananas, but the minute they see me, they run.
That just gave me an idea. Rosie, come with me. The monkeys won't follow you, but maybe they'll follow a banana.
What do you mean?
Just watch. I wish I was invisible.
Thomas? Thomas? Where did you go?
Right here.
Where? I don't see you.
That's because I'm invisible, which means the monkeys won't see me either. And what monkey can resist a floating banana? All done! The monkeys are safely returned to the animal park.
Oh, thanks so much, Thomas. It's good to see you again. And happy birthday.
Not a problem. See you next time. Birthday, happy birthday. It's a happy, happy birthday song. Today is such a special day. It's my birthday, and I have 13 magical birthday wishes. But what should I wish for first?
Help! Help!
Sounds like Percy might be in trouble. Percy, What's wrong?
Oh, Thomas, I was making a very important food delivery for the animal park, but I stopped quickly at a light and everything spilled out, and now some ants grabbed it. Look, there they go. Oh, I'm not small enough to get under that rock. The food's gone for good.
I'll help you, Percy. I'll use one of my birthday wishes to become as small as an ant. Then I'll be able to fit. I wish I was as small as an ant.
Thomas, where are you?
I'm down here, Percy!
Huh, look at you. You're as small as an ant.
Exactly! Don't worry, Percy. Come back with that food. This tiny little chase is over. All I want is my friend's food back. They're just hungry, but I can't let them have Percy's food. Surely I can think of something to help them too. I got it!
Yummy apples for hungry ants coming right up. Watch out below. Now your truck of food's ready to go to the animal park, Percy.
Thank you so much, Thomas.
My pleasure. Now I'm off to make my next wish.
See you, Thomas. Oh, and happy birthday!
See you, Percy. I wonder how many magical birthday wishes I have left. I've been having so much fun, I've lost count. Oh, I'm sure I have plenty more. Now, what to wish for?
Oh, where did he go? I must find him. He's lost.
Hello, Emily. Who's lost? Percy? Gordon? James?
A baby elephant.
Oh.
I let him out to stretch his trunk. I looked away for 1 second and poof, he's gone. I'm afraid to go looking for him in case he comes back this way.
I can go and look.
Oh, thank you, Thomas. But he's just a little baby elephant, and a noisy engine like you might scare him. He needs to feel safe.
Would another elephant help him feel safe?
Yes, that would help, but it's not like we can just make a wish and an elephant appears.
When you have magical birthday wishes, you can. I wish to be an elephant.
Thomas! You're an elephant!
Oh, excuse me. What I meant to say was, yes, I am. Now, I'll go and find your little baby elephant. Baby elephant! Where are you? Baby elephant! Oh, this isn't working. I wonder if there's something I can do to be more like an elephant. I know. That way! Hello, little fella. You're safe with me. Found him.
Oh, Thomas, you did it! Thank you so much.
Happy to help. Now I'm off to... off to make more birthday wishes.
Happy birthday, Thomas.
Birthday, happy birthday. It's a happy, happy birthday song. What's the best thing about receiving magical birthday wishes as your birthday present? I'd have to say it's everything. But now, what to wish for?
Oh, Thomas! Thank goodness you're here.
Oh, is everything okay, sir?
We have quite a problem on our hands. James is racing out of control, going very fast, and he's headed straight for the station.
Oh, no. Are you sure?
I'm out of control! Mind my paintwork!
Very sure. If he doesn't slow down, he'll crash right into the station.
We need to think of an idea.
What about a wall?
A wall's too hard, and that could hurt him.
I'm out of ideas.
We need something softer to cushion him, something that bends that he could run into, like a rubber band. That's it! I wish to be elastic.
What did that do?
Well, I should be all bendy and stretchy now. I can stretch myself out for James to run into. I'll slow him down and cushion him. Let's try it out. Here goes nothing. Whoa.
This could work.
Now we wait for James.
Maybe I was wrong after all.
Here's James!
I'll stop you, James!
Oh, Thomas, you saved me. And not a scratch on my shiny red paintwork.
And the station. Thank you, Thomas.
You're both very welcome. Well, I'm off to make more birthday wishes.
Happy
birthday,
birthday!
Birthday, happy birthday. It's a happy, happy birthday song. I just love having these magical birthday wishes. I can wish for anything I want. I'm going to wish for balloons. Balloons? Rebecca?
Oh no, my balloons! Oh, Thomas, I was transporting those balloons and I accidentally let them go. There's no getting them back now.
Don't be so sure, Rebecca. I'll use a birthday wish. I wish I could float like a balloon. Whoa! Woohoo!
Oh, Thomas! Be careful!
Let's collect some balloons! Just about finished! Huh? Oh, no, you don't! Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Gotcha!
Oh, Thomas! You did it!
Now to get down. Here you are, Rebecca. A bundle of balloons, safe and secure.
I can't thank you enough, Thomas.
Happy to do it. What are these balloons for, anyway? They wouldn't perhaps be for some sort of surprise birthday party, would they?
No, nothing nearly as exciting as that. That reminds me, Thomas, happy birthday!
Thanks so much, Rebecca. And now I'm off. Birthday, happy birthday. It's a happy, happy birthday song. That last magical birthday wish I made was a good one. Will my next magical birthday wish be just as good? Of course it will. Smells like smoke. Help! Help! And sounds like Belle needs help. Belle, what's wrong?
Thomas, that barn is on fire, but it's too far away from the tracks. I can't reach it. Look!
Oh, where's Flynn the fire engine? He could do it.
He's dealing with another fire at the bakery. A cake was seriously burnt.
What kind of cake? Birthday?
What? No, it was a Tuesday cake, because today is Tuesday.
Oh.
Well, anyway, we need to do something about this barn on fire. If only there was a rescue engine nearby that could travel off the tracks.
Maybe there can be. I wish to be a rescue engine.
Wow! Thomas, the rescue engine!
Firefighter Thomas, ready and steady. And raring to rescue. I love driving off tracks. Time to put out the fire. Looks good to me.
Thomas!
Huh?
You missed a spot.
Oops.
Thank you so much, Thomas. You really saved the day.
Always happy to help.
And happy birthday, Thomas.
Birthday, happy birthday. It's a happy, happy birthday song. I've used so many magical birthday wishes, it's exhausting. Oh, who am I kidding? I could do this all day. In fact, I think I will. Looks like Gordon's napping on the tracks. Wake up, lazy bones!
Ah, Thomas! Yes, good to see you. Everything is okay here?
Oh, are you sure everything's okay?
No. I mean, yes. No, Thomas. Everything is not okay.
What's wrong?
I've broken down, and I have an express coach full of passengers that will now be late to their destination.
Maybe I can help.
It's too late. We are way behind schedule. It would take a super-fast engine with super speed to get them there.
I can be a super fast engine with super speed. I wish to have super speed.
Is that it? Nothing happened.
I haven't moved yet. Let's get those coaches attached. Now don't you worry, Gordon. I'll get these passengers to their destination and back again before you can say, oh, the indignity.
I don't know. I can say that pretty fast. Oh, the
Woohoo! Whoa! Whoa! Whee! Oh!
Nitty. Oh, my, Thomas. You did it.
I sure did. That was fun. Happy to help, Gordon.
Thank you, Thomas. And someone should be along any minute to fix me up. So you run along and make more birthday wishes.
Will do.
Oh, and happy birthday!
Birthday, happy birthday. It's a happy... Oh my. It's quite dark and cloudy here by the water, isn't it? Should I use a magical birthday wish to wish the clouds away? No. A cloudy day can be quite cozy.
You must work. You must. Please work.
Skiff, is everything all right?
No, everything is not all right. The storm caused the power to go out, and now the lighthouse won't work.
Oh no.
It gets worse. There's a boat headed for shore. Without a bright light, the boat won't see the land and will head straight for us. I've tried everything to fix it.
Did you try wishing to glow as bright as a lighthouse?
Yes, I tried that too. No, wait, what? No, I haven't tried that. How?
With a magical birthday wish. I wish to glow as bright as a lighthouse. Whoa! I think this will work.
Oh, I wish I'd brought sunglasses.
Oh, but look! I'm not bright enough. I wonder if I can get brighter. It worked!
You did it, Thomas. Thank you so... Ooh.
Oh, sorry. How do I turn this off?
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome, Skiff. But now I'm off to make more birthday wishes. Birthday, happy birthday. It's a happy, happy birthday song. My birthday wishes have made this the best birthday ever. I can't believe how fast it's going. Time flies when you have magical birthday wishes, I guess.
Toby!
Huh?
Toby?
That sounded like Henrietta. I hope she's okay.
Oh, Toby! Where are you?
Henrietta, what's wrong?
Oh, Toby and I were going over the top of Gordon's Hill when our coupling chain broke. I went racing down the other side and we became separated. Oh, I don't know where he is.
Oh my, I'm sure we can find him together.
But he could be anywhere. We'll never find him.
What if we don't need to find him? What if he finds us?
What do you mean, Thomas?
Well, the bigger you are, the easier you are to see. I wish to be a giant.
Thomas, down here! Oh, Thomas, you're giant!
I sure am!
Whoa!
Oops! Sorry!
Sorry.
Toby will see you for sure.
Oh, Henrietta, where are you? Henrietta! Thomas? Thomas!
Ha! There he is!
Oh, Henrietta, I found you.
All thanks to Thomas. And happy birthday.
My pleasure. Now I'm off to make more birthday wishes.